How to install Milestone Credit Card app on your iPhone or Android. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Milestone Credit Card app on your iPhone or Android. So let us begin. So there are a lot of benefits you can get from the app itself, such as the 24/7 account access. You can secure your payments, you can auto pay, you can even build your credit score, and you can report to all three credit bureaus. So these are the benefits, and you can use this app on your mobile phone, and it's really simple. All you need to do is open up your app store and then search for Milestone Credit Card app. Now, after you search for it, these are not the apps that you want. The one that you want is this right here. Now, just download this app and you will be able to use the Milestone Credit Card app on your mobile phone. Now, I don't have it on my app store, so I cannot show it to you, but simply go open this up in your app store, tap on the install button, and then install it on your mobile phone. And it's that simple. Just set it up and start using it. And that is basically how you can install and use Milestone Credit Card app on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.